Morning, myself Prahalad Badkar. This is one of the example related to gear train. Okay, I'll read the example. The annulus A in the gear shown in figure rotates at a 310 rpm about the axis of the fixed wheels, which has a 80 teeth. The three-armed spider is driven at a 182 rpm. Determine the number of teeth on the gear P. They given a figure in this case. Okay, this is a sectional view. Okay, that is the input is connected to S, that is a sun gear. Then sun gear is once again it is connected to, it makes a link with the gear planet gear. Then planet gear is connected to what? That is annulus gear. That is annulus. Then planet gear is, that is from the planet gear, that is connected to arm A. Then once again it is connected to output. This becomes the input, this becomes output. Okay, this is a sectional view. Okay, three-armed spider means it looks like this only. This is I have taken in a black. This is a three-armed spider. This is a side view. Then I have taken as a sun gear I have taken as a S, planet I have taken as a P, and annulus gear is A. That is a sectional view only. Then before going to this one, you have to go for the tabular method. For the tabular method, you have to make it as a serial number, that is the steps number or serial number. This is a actions, that is a how many elements here in this case you have to look at that one, how many gears will be there, that is a arm is there, A, sun gear, then planet gear and annulus gear. How many gears will be there, you have to take it in the column wise. This is a nothing but a revolution comes. Whatever the theory explained, I have theory explained in that case, you have to fix the arm A, then you have to give the one revolution, you have to fix the arm A, that is a small a, then you have to give the clockwise as a plus sign, you have to give the one revolution for this sun gear, that is a S gear. I have taken as an input, you have to give the one revolution for the sun gear, that is a clockwise direction. This is a, if you consider sun gear, I will take it as a S is, that is a clockwise direction, you take it as a positive. Then I have taken as a one revolution. Then you have to find the what is the revolution made by the planet gear. That is a, we can find it using the velocity ratio method. Look at this one, I have already written here. This is a velocity ratio. Okay, if you go for this is a velocity ratio, np by ns equal to reciprocal of the number of teeth, that is a ts by tp. Okay, then once again I need in the form of np equal to ns ts by tp. Then you have given as a one revolution for the sun gear, that's why I'll take as a 1. Okay, negative sign, because that is a, if you look at the figure, that is a sun gear is a negative, that is a positive direction. This is a planet is comes as a anti-clockwise direction, that is you have to take it as a negative direction. Okay, I hope that you got it. That's why I have taken as a negative sign, and you have to put it here. Okay, you have to write it. Then second, we have to find the what is the speed of annulus gear or ring gear also they will call it. For this also you have to go for the velocity ratio. For the velocity ratio is you have to take it as a NA by NP. Look at this one. For the NA, NP becomes a driver, NA becomes a follower or driven. Okay, look at this. For the sun gear and planet gear also, sun gear becomes a driver, planet gear becomes a driven, directly it contact with the planet gear only. This becomes a driver. Here also for the between the planet gear and annular gear, planet gear becomes a driver, annular given becomes a driven. You have to take as the same way. This is a one thing you have to remember it. Driver you have to write at a, you have to remember that one, you have to write a driver, that is a at a denominator. Driven you have to take as a numerator. Then once again I need in the form of NA. Okay, NP. Then finally NP is we got from the previous equation, that is you have to take it as a NP here. You have to take this much only, that is a TS by TP. Don't go for the direction. I will make it as a finally I will take it that is how direction. That is a TS by TP you take it. Then NP equal to, that is 1 is the as usual TP by TA. Okay, once again it comes as a TP by as usual. Then sine, you have to come for the sine. Look at this one sine. We have to go for the sine now. How to take a sine means, look at this one. Sun gear is a positive. This is a opposite direction, simple gear trend. This becomes a negative. For the annular gear, it is having internal threads. Okay. Whatever the internal thread means, the direction of the annular gear becomes also negative only. Both will travel in same direction. Planet gear and annular gear both will move in the same direction. You have to take it as a negative because this is a anti-clockwise. This also becomes a annular gear is also rotates in anti-clockwise direction. That's why you have to take it as a negative sign. Okay, you have to take it as a negative sign. Okay, then don't then I will keep it as a NA equal to TP get cancelled. Look at this one. Then finally it comes as a NA equal to minus TS by TA. Then once again second column, same concept, fix the A. Then you have to give the plus X revolution to S. Okay. Then it becomes a 0. Instead of 1 we are giving X revolution. You replace that is a 1 equal to X. Here also, here actually 1 will be there. You replace that is a X. Here also 1 will be there. You replace that is a X. That much only. Second case is a simple. As usual, if you got is the first one, you have to multiply X only in that case. Then for the whole system you have to give the Y revolution. Okay. Then for the annulus, that is a arm also it comes as a Y. For this sun gear, X plus Y. Planet gear, Y minus TS minus TP equal into X. This is for the annulus gear, it comes as a Y minus TS by TA into X. Okay. Then I have written one more step, that is this is a nothing but A means that is a speed of the Y is a nothing but a speed of the, that is the arm. I have taken as this is a nothing but a NA equal to speed of the arm. NS is a nothing but a speed, that is a speed I have written here, that is a X plus Y. NP equal to, this comes as a speed, okay, in terms of a number of teeth and revolution, NP. For the annulus gear I have taken as a NA equal to this value only. Okay, I have taken as a one more column, last column, this is the third column you have to take it. Then you have to count the things, you have to come what the things are given, what the things are given, you have to go for that only. First as usual you have to create a table using a tabular method. Okay, then come to this one, what the things they are given. The annulus, that is a rotate set. The annulus rotates at a 310 rpm. That is important. They are given as the annulus gear is a 310 rpm. Then next it comes as a fixed wheel. Fixed wheel means that is a NS is a fixed. Okay, you have to take it as a NS as a 0. Then it has a teeth of 80 teeth. It is having 80 teeth. That is I have taken as a TS as a 80 teeth. The 3-arm spider driven at 182 rpm. That is the speed of the arm. That is given as NA. That is given as 182 rpm. Then you have to calculate number of teeth on the gear P. Clear? You have to find the what is the value of number of teeth on gear P. Okay. For this you have to consider this is the end condition. NA is how much? NA equal to Y. That is the speed of the arm is given as a 182 as usual. That is a given. You take it that way. Then NS is what? NS equal to X plus Y. You look at this one. Then NS equal to X plus Y. That becomes NS is once again they are given as a NS equal to 0 also. That is the speed of the sun gear is they are given as a 0. Then it comes as a X plus Y equal to 0. Then we can determine Y is already known, that is the speed of the arm is known. We can find the revolution is that is the X. This is also RPM. revolution, that is x. Then once again they given as Na equal to this value, this last equation, Na equal to y minus Ts by Ta equal to x. They are given as a Ns, that is a Na also, that is a 310 rpm. You look at that one. This is they given as a 310 rpm. Then once again that is a Ts also, that is Ts is also given, this is Ts is also given, that is a 80. Ts is also given, y is also known. We can find the Ta. What is the, that is the number of teeth on annulus gear. Ring gear is, it is coming as a 113.75. You take it as a 114 nearer to that only, because standard gear will be there, that numbers will be there. I have taken for this as a approximately, that is a 114. Then once again you know this concept, that is a pitch circle radius equal to directly proportional to the number of teeth. I explained in riveted gate train. Okay, what is that? Look at the figure here. This is, I can take it as a, this is Rs, radius of sun gate. Then for the planet gear I can take it as 2 rp. Then using this one we can find the radius of the annulus gear. Look at the geometry of the figure. Rs plus 2 rp equal to Ra. Look at the geometry. Okay, that is a radius of annulus gear. Rs plus 2 rp equal to Ra. Once again I will convert in the form of number of teeth, that is a Ts, 2 as it is. Rp is I have taken as a Tp. Then Ra equal to I have taken as a Ta. Then once again you know the Ta value, you got it, this one. Then Ts is already given, that is a 80 mm. We can find the Tp equal to 17. Okay, you got it, the value as a Tp equal to number of teeth on the planet gear is a nothing but that is a 17. Okay, once again I will make some conclusion in this case. Okay, beginning, before this one, what the things are given, don't worry about that one. First you have to create a table. You have to create a table with respect to this concept only. You have to fix the arm and you have to give the one revolution to one of the gear. Okay, then fix the arm also, revolution you have to give the X revolution. And why you have to complete this procedure. Sometimes we can directly put the values also here. Directly Ts is number of teeth on, that is directly you can put here also these values. In this method also you can calculate it. Ts is given, you can directly put the values also here. Instead of writing this final, you can write here also the number of teeth. Okay, this is also you can carry it. Otherwise finally you have to find this type of equation, you have to put the value. This is also one step. We can go either this also, this also. Previous example, previous things I have explained. Okay, then okay, I'll stop here only. Next, okay, if I'll stop here only.